Hi, this is Andrea with the FieldView team. I'm going to walk through how to create an application map where two or more products show up in the same layer if you are doing any competitor trials on your farm. I'm going to start in the home screen of the CAB app. First, go into Equipment, and then here we will ensure that our equipment is set up properly. So I'm going to add new equipment, choose a sprayer, and just for this example, choose Custom and Default Other with one section and a width of 1440 inches. Depending on what your sprayer is, you will want to do this setup to match exactly what your machine has. So once you get into the sprayer setup, the GPS offsets will be the first thing. Double check to ensure those are correct. And then after you have done that, go into application setup and select your display and your application rate controller. If you are using a globe or drive map anything kit, here is where you would put incompatible rate controller. But if you have a different rate controller in your sprayer, ensure to choose the correct monitor and rate controller there. You can also see a spot to enter in section setup. If you have more than one section, ensure you go in there and type in the correct numbers for your sprayer. Next, I want to go make sure my drive is connected. So I'm going to go into Settings, and then once I get into Settings, I will go to Devices, and I'm just plugging in my drive, and you can see there that it has connected to my iPad. So now I'm going to go to the map screen. You can see here I have my sprayer, and I'm going to choose Add New Field so I can spray my neighborhood here, so I can type in whatever my field name is. I'm going to use fungicide trial for this example. And yes, I want to make the field active, and now it's asking me about an application. I'm just going to delete that one and show you how I would add in a new application. So this is a trial between two competitor products I'm going to do. I hit add a new product, and as I start to type out carumba, I can use that first, enter in my rate and my gallons per acre of water I'm using. So done. Now I select that from my trial, and the first product I'm going to spray down is carumba. And it asks me for my rate because I am using an incompatible rate controller in this scenario here. So using that, I will tap to start, and you can see that my map starts painting with my first product. The screen I'm currently in is the rate screen. Once I finish this first product of carumba, I can tap on where it says application in the corner. Here it's very important to click edit. If we click exit, then we will start a new map layer, which will mean that our products will end up on different maps. I can now start to type out my second product, Bracero, and select that from the list. Then changing the rate to the proper rate, I can hit done and confirm. Now, if I switch my map to product mix, I am able to see that when I start spraying my second product that it changes colors, but both of my products stay in the same map layer. In this example, I'm using an incompatible rate controller, so to stop, I have to tap to stop at the bottom, and then you can see here, if I disconnect my drive, the map I've created with two products that both show up in the same layer, which will be helpful for comparing these products at the end of the season once I have my yield data.